I am happy to be here at the company Böhmer with Mr. Schreiner. Thank you so much for your time today at the Valve World Expo. You have about 100,000 different kinds of ball valves that you could talk about. We're going to talk about a couple of them, otherwise we'd have spent too much time. What did you bring to the trade fair this year?
This year we brought a subsea valve. High pressure, class 1500, metal to metal seated. Another one, the colored ball valve, is a pipeline ball valve, is a 40-inch valve for class 600, a typical pipeline application. And in the center we see a new development is for aeration stations, where you make sure that the gas get a certain smell to detect leaks, because there is a new law in Germany, and therefore we have to develop a new ball valve with possibility to check the aeration injection while the process is running.
Which is a very important factor. What would you say are the most important factors when you're developing a new ball valves? What are people wanting? What are their clients wanting in the last couple of years?
As everybody want to have a ball valve which works forever and costs nothing. We have to find the right designs for the applications that we get a lifetime between 30 and 40 years without major maintenance, and we have to keep a certain cost in a range to be competitive in the market. Therefore, our markets are not only Europe, is Asia, is partially Middle East, North Africa. That are the main markets where we are working.
One could say we're in sort of difficult times, well, probably even not only sort of, difficult times economically and politically. How is your industry dealing with these problems?
Good question. So we have to be flexible, looking for new clients for different applications, but we have approximately 85% of regular customers, because they are used to our quality, the way how we work, so they're coming back and back. It's not that we're chasing only projects and get later an issue. So we have our regular clients. For sure, when the oil price is very low, it's getting not easy, but it's so far okay.
And how does the Valve World Expo play into that whole, the way you have to work with clients and work with problems?
I mean, here you get a very specific clientele coming, because people are mostly from oil and gas business. So you don't have here visitors coming who just have a look. They come with specific ideas, looking for specific products, and therefore the Valve World is interesting, and is also from Middle East and from different areas around the world the people are coming in. Therefore it's very interesting for us.
And it's very interesting talking to you. Thank you very much for the insight into what your company does, and I wish you a great time here at the Valve World Expo. Thank you, Mr. Schreiner.
Thank you very much.